Here's some of the birdsong you're most likely to hear if you walk through woodland in early spring. One of the easiest songs to learn is the great tit. It's usually a simple two-note phrase that sounds like teacher teacher, loud, clear and repeated again and again from high in the trees. Next, listen for nuthatch. Instead of a song, it gives a loud ringing call that echoes through the woodland. Another classic woodland sound is the chaffinch. Its song is a fast ascending phrase that ends in a flourish. You might also hear a rapid rattling sound in early spring. That's a great spotted woodpecker drumming on a tree to advertise its territory. It's not a call, it's the bird hammering its bill against the wood. And last up, listen out for the song thrush. They repeat short musical phrases 2 or 3 times before moving on to the next one, almost like a bird practicing its scales. So if you're walking through woodland this spring, listen out for great tit, nuthatch, chaffinch, song thrush and the drumming of a great spotted woodpecker. And if you want to learn to recognise more of the bird signs around you, subscribe to my weekly newsletter for more tips and tricks.